Today I'm going to show you how to file fold your cardigans quick and easier. 5 folds are awesome. It's the style that Marie Kondo herself uses, so you know it's going to be good. So in order to file fold your cardigans, we're going to start out by laying it down flat with the front facing up. And we're going to button up all the buttons on the cardigan. From here we're going to take the arms and fold them over to the opposite side. I like to do it this way, that way it gets some more weight at the top. So I'm going to overlap the other arm like this. From here we're going to split the cardigan into 3 parts from side to side. I'm going to fold in 1/3 of the way on one side. Make sure you don't fold over the collar area of the cardigan, and we repeat on the other side as well. So the trick here is to make it even down the length of the cardigan so it doesn't like slope in or slope out. From here we're going to split the cardigan into 3 parts, and we're going to start by folding the heaviest part here, and that is going to be the top. So I'm folding it down 1/3 of the way. That meets perfectly with the arms usually, and then we repeat, fold over the other side as well. So from here you can lift up the cardigan like this, and you can stack multiple cardigans or other shirts next to each other in your dresser or in your closet. This is a fantastic way to store your cardigans. If you want to see how to fold your other clothes like this, I have a free cheat sheet over at organizing.tv/free. You can download it there and you get like some really cool ways that you can file fold some of your other garments as well. Anyway, I hope this video was helpful. This is cardigan week, so I'm going to make another video tomorrow, and tomorrow I'll be focusing on how to fold the cardigans to prevent wrinkles 100%, or at least as close as we can get. See you tomorrow. Peace.